Live from the ABC 7 Broadcast Center, this is ABC 7 News at 6 on your side.
And first at 6, travel changes in the wake of the Ebola threat.
Starting tomorrow, anyone flying from certain countries in West Africa will be limited to entry into a handful of U.S. airports. One of those is Dulles International. Rebecca Cooper is live in the newsroom with details plus some breaking news about the patient being treated at NIH. Rebecca?
Well, that's right, Gordon and Maureen. First, that breaking news. NIH has reported that the Dallas nurse Nina Pham, currently being treated at the National Institutes of Health in Bethesda, has now been upgraded from fair to good condition. And we will keep you posted on all of those developments. Meantime, the White House remains under pressure to do more. So far, the president continues to reject calls for a travel ban. So today, Dulles International officials got the news they will be stepping up their Ebola screenings as more passengers will be diverted there and to 4 other U.S. airports. Starting tomorrow, any passengers whose travel originates in Liberia, Guinea, or Sierra Leone must fly into the U.S. through 5 U.S. airports designated for Ebola screening. Those include JFK, Newark, Atlanta Hartsfield, Chicago's O'Hare, and here at Dulles. Passengers say they welcome the new rules.
Getting to your final destination safely is very important.
I wouldn't say I'm too concerned about it, but it definitely is. I mean, a little bit.
The White House says these 5 airports are ready to deal with passengers coming in from Ebola-affected countries.
There's personnel available to pull them aside and ensure that they get proper screening before entering this country.
As the 5 airports enhance their arrival procedures, U.S. officials say even already booked passengers will have to change flights to adhere to the new rules. But some critics say that doesn't go far enough. Democratic Congresswoman Tulsi Gabbard of Hawaii wants both a travel ban and tougher CDC guidelines on quarantines, saying some Ebola cases outlast the current 21-day period.
Extending this period where people are monitored or quarantined beyond the 21 days would be in the best interest of making sure that more people are not infected here at home.
Gordon and Maureen, it remains clear communities across the country are anxious about Ebola. South Carolina schools tell parents they will now pre-screen new students. At Richmond International Airport, some passengers say they're avoiding using the restrooms. And there are businesses now canceling planned conferences in Dallas due to the Ebola cases there. In the newsroom, Rebecca Cooper, ABC 7 News.
Thank you, Rebecca. The Centers for Disease Control is responding to calls for change as well. Today, it updated protocols for healthcare workers treating Ebola patients. One of the changes, that protective gear completely cover the skin. In Dallas, you might remember, there were claims that nurses' necks were left exposed while they cared for Ebola victim Thomas Duncan.